Okay, I'm back. This time I'm gonna make the very simple one. The Shanghai lumpia is a regular one. There is no pepper on it, nothing spicy. I'm just showing you my living room. So let's start it. Okay, let's start the Shanghai lumpia. There's another wrapper over here because I bought two yesterday. So this last one. And do you remember this? This is half of the meat that I prepared earlier. And then I changed the water. We're gonna use that. And that's where I'm gonna put the finished good. Okay, let's start making Shanghai lumpia now. I don't really measure anything, so I just put it there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it like this, spread it like this. Put a little bit more because I have too much leftover meat, so I can use it all. It's too much. See that? Okay, so fold it like this, make them tight like that. And then once it's already intact, all you have to do is roll it like this. See that? That's how I make my lumpia. Okay, so now I'm gonna wet it here, so that way they will sealed. Roll it gently, and that's it. This is my favorite, rolling it like this. Keep on rolling, 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 rolling. There. That's it. It's the first one. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Like I said, I don't measure whatever I put in there. I just eyeball. Okay, then spread it. Like that. Then you fold it. Fold it like that. Then my favorite part is to roll it like this. Keep on rolling so they get tighter. And then you put water here. Okay? Rolling, rolling, rolling. There. See? It's sealed. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Now, you're gonna put it here. I decided to change the plate because the plate, if I put them down, they're gonna go curly or curve. And this one, they're straight. So that's why I'm using that. Okay? Okay, I'll just keep on making. That much meat, I don't want to put too much meat because I don't want them to be fat. Like the Mexican dynamite lumpia, those are fat because they have the chili. This one, I want them skinny. So they're easy to cook and they're easy to eat. Okay, roll it. Like I said, you roll it until they get tighter. Maybe 2 times. Now, you're gonna wet this part. This is the one, like I said, it will seal it. Roll it. Roll it. There you go. There you go. See, it's all sealed. And then later I'm gonna put them in the freezer after I freeze them, and then I'm gonna cut them 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, put them there. There, I have 3 already. So I'll just keep on making, okay? I'll just keep on rolling, rolling, rolling. I got more to do. I'm done. These are the Shanghai lumpia. Ooh, they're long. See that? And this is what I have left. The meat. I think I'm gonna make meatballs for that. Alright. Looking good. So now I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and then later I'm gonna cut them in 3 pieces. Lumpia are already hard, so we can cut them now. I just got them out from the freezer. So this is what I'm talking about. Cut them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them here in the Ziploc bag, just like this. Once you put them all in the bag, you can put them back in the freezer for later cooking and eating.